It's hot, viewers. I'm your travel companion Tanvi Dikshit, and today I'm exploring the Scotland of India, Coorg. I'm going to be staying at the Woodpecker Estate in this beautiful wooden cabin. Come, let me show you around the estate. My god, look how pretty the villa is from inside. So this villa has a beautiful living room downstairs and 2 bedrooms. I'm going to be taking the one on the right. Let's see how the bedroom is. It's 5:36 in the evening and it's like drizzling a little bit, it's foggy and misty. I basically don't feel like doing anything right now, so I'm just going to cozy up in my villa. I have called for some snacks. They have sent a couple of plates of onion pakoda and chili pakoda and a specialty coffee. Now this is what they call Bella coffee. Bella is the name for black colored jaggery, okay? So this coffee is actually from their own coffee plantation and you can get it only here. And it is so flavorful, oh my god. Wow, what a relaxing cup of coffee this was. I am thinking now I'm going to go up to the attic where they have a mini library and sit and read for a while. Cute this attic space is. It's actually rekindling so many of my childhood dreams. Like when I was a kid, I used to have a dream that I would have an attic space like this where I could just, read and play games or whatever. And this mini library actually has a collection of more than 400 books and a bunch of board games. I can see chess, I can see Scrabble. This is like such a cute area to just chill with your family and friends. I love it. Are you looking for the perfect spot to arrange a romantic date for your special someone? I found my perfect spot right here at Woodpecker Estate in this beautifully lit up cabana. They served me a variety of authentic Coorgi dishes and I cannot even wait to dig in. They look so delicious and these dishes are so unique. Like there's a pumpkin leaf soup and there's a pandi curry and all of that. I'm like, I just cannot wait to dig in, guys. Let's eat. Wow, so simple but so full of flavors. Such a beautiful morning. I'm just starting my day with a delicious breakfast and believe it or not, I was woken up today with the sound of woodpeckers actually pecking at my window. Like there was a weird chirping sound and I went to my room's window and there were actually woodpeckers pecking away. It's unbelievable how beautiful this property is. Woodpecker, they actually use a lot of their homegrown ingredients in their recipes. Last night I had a beautiful pumpkin leaf soup and they also make a bunch of different puddings. He's made a coconut pudding for me, which looks super delicious. Which is so delicious, oh my god. around the property It's so stunningly green, I cannot even tell you. They have their own coffee plantations. You can see all of these. It's a mix of Arabica and Robusta coffee plants. And they also have some spice plantations. I just found a cardamom tree, and I'm just smelling fresh. Oh, wow. In the villa actually are decorated with these kind of eclectic paintings. These have all been curated from the Southeast Asia, and all of them have a common theme, that of portraying human emotions in animals. Can you believe that Woodpecker Estate has not just one but two private waterfalls? This is the trail that is going to take me to one of them. I am so excited to go here. Come along with me. Right from waking up to woodpeckers pecking at my window and trekking up to their private waterfalls to devouring some delicious homemade Coorgi dishes, my stay here at the Woodpecker Estate has been nothing short of amazing. So the next time you're in Coorg, definitely check out the Woodpecker Estate.